In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MyFitnessPal with Apple Health. Full setup. By the end, your activity and nutrition data will flow smoothly between the two apps, so your tracking stays accurate and effortless. Make sure you're on an iPhone with both apps installed and updated, and that you're connected to the internet. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app. On the welcome screen, tap Log In. Sign in with your account credentials, then tap Log In again to enter the app. If you're new to MyFitnessPal, complete any quick prompts until you land on the main dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the More option, usually in the bottom menu, and tap it. In the list that appears, choose Apps and Devices. This is where MyFitnessPal handles connections to other services. Scroll or search for the Health app and select it. You'll see information about what can be shared between MyFitnessPal and Apple Health. Tap Settings to manage the connection. When the permission screen appears, choose Turn on All to enable all available data types for sharing. This typically includes things like active energy, steps, workouts, and nutrition data. Turning on everything ensures the most seamless experience, and you can refine it later if needed. After selecting Turn on All, tap Allow to confirm. This grants the Health app permission to read and write the selected data with MyFitnessPal. Now head back to your iPhone's home screen and search for the Health app. If you don't see it right away, then open it. Inside Apple Health, tap your profile icon near the top right to access your account settings. Choose Apps, then select MyFitnessPal from the list. Here you'll see the same categories you just approved. This page is helpful for double checking that the connection is active and that the exact data types you want are enabled. If any category is off, you can toggle it on here. Give the sync a moment to start working. It can take a short while for your recent entries or step counts to appear in both places. If something looks off, simply revisit the permissions pages you just configured and confirm the switches are on. Keeping background app refresh enabled for both apps and opening each app at least once a day can also help maintain a consistent sync. That's it. Your MyFitnessPal and Apple Health connection is fully set up and ready to go. Enjoy more complete insights with less manual entry.